What's going on, YouTube family? A quick video. Something funny went down. Shout out to Cycle Gear, Edison, New Jersey. First bike night of the season, and my Zeus is still at Carpenter. But what I wanted to share with you was something interesting. Now, I showed up in my car. Shout out to my buddy Chibi. He's actually the reason why I went after work. And I kind of did a gauge. I'll be able to make the bike nights after leaving work, even though, like I said, it's gonna be like a long trip. But with that said, I made it with about like 15-20 minutes. They kind of went over the time frame, but I showed up there, and I recognize everybody, but folks didn't recognize me right off the rip. I had a cap on, and literally this predator persona has taken on a life of its own. They know the predator, the ZX Predator, but like not really the man that gives it life. And I was like, oh, they're like, oh shoot, that's you, Predator. Oh, you that Predator guy? Well, not that Predator guy. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Leo and the rest of the staff from Cycle Gear. That was interesting. Leo had me laughing in there. But yeah, ZX Predator. We had to make sure that we correct that. But yeah, it was cool to see everybody. This is just a YouTube short. I'll just throw it up there just cause. But hopefully, the news is Zeus is being assembled at Carpenter this week. We're in the end game, the home stretch. So I'll probably have to do a watch riding on myself for what I'm getting back. So it was good to see everybody. I have a sense of joy, glee, and just like glowing energy right now. It was good to see my peeps. So to everyone starting to ride a little early in April, just be safe. Next month is Motorcycle Awareness Month. Look twice, save a life. So the man, the myth, the ZX Predator. I love my peeps. Love y'all. We'll catch y'all later. Peace.